today I'm going to discuss lipolysis. Lipolysis is the breakdown of fat. And so all in all there are 5 steps, but I'm just going to discuss the first 3. So the first 3 steps are mobilization, transportation, and activation. So the mobilization step begins in the blood, and in the blood there are hormones. And you're going to have 4 hormones that are specific to this process. So these 4 hormones are going to be cortisol, growth hormone, and epinephrine and norepinephrine, and they really want to bind to the adipocyte, which is the fat cell. But in order to do that, and so once they do that, then HSL is going to be stimulated, and HSL is called a hormone-sensitive lipase, and it's going to break down triglycerides as well as create a fatty acid chain. Fatty acid chains are very crucial for the next steps. As you can see, the free fatty acid chains are going to be in the blood. And so these free fatty acid chains really want to get into the muscle, but they cannot pass unless they go through binding proteins, specifically the sarcolemma fatty acid binding protein. They're in a sense called like a bouncer, where they allow only 50% of these fatty acids into the muscle fibers, into the muscle itself. And so once they get into the muscle, the activation step is going to convert the fatty acid, the free fatty acid, into fatty acetyl coenzyme A. And this uses 1 ATP, and it's going to be converted to ADP. And with that energy, it's going to make this conversion possible with the enzyme of ACOA synthase. And basically, the FACOA is going to be really crucial for the next 2 steps of lipolysis, but those are the first 3.